So this morning on Travels with Bert, we're visiting a place called Sam Chuk, and it's in Suphan Buri Province, which is about 40 minutes from where we're staying in Angtong. And I think its most important thing to visit is the market that's behind me, a 100-year-old market. And it's supposed to be alongside the river, the Thai Chin, but I think that's way over the back there somewhere. So we're going to have to go take a look. Well, I wanted to get a nice photograph of the entrance, but I seem to have been photobombed by these people. I guess they're selling something. Well, a moment of peace amongst the madness. This is the Thai Chin River, which is right alongside the market. There's absolute chaos in there. It's Saturday morning, so I guess a lot of people are shopping. The river is actually the reason the market is here. 100 years ago, boats on the river would have been the main way of transporting goods. But as roads took over, the market became disused and was revived about 10 years ago. Well, so what did you make of that? Crazy place, huh? Interesting though, wide variety of things on sale. And we did find the river, which is good. Personally, I think it would be a hell of a lot better without all the motorbikes zipping through there. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. So it's goodbye from Bert, who's down there somewhere. It's goodbye from me. Goodbye.